According to the CDC, children of color receive an autism diagnosis at a lower rate than white children. And these delays in diagnosis and services lead to disproportionate strains on caregivers of color.
Well, Salina, you and I understand those stats very, very well. As parents of individuals with disabilities, we understand the daily challenges that caregivers face every day. And many times caregivers don't even understand how to access and utilize behavioral health care as a support.
That's why we would like to invite you to a free training seminar for therapists, counselors, social workers, or any provider of color and those who serve clients of color. Join us January 25th at 10 a.m. at the Renaissance Church in Warrensville Heights, or you could join us virtually. And guess what? Free CEUs are available.
So why don't you help us bridge this gap of inclusion? We hope to see you there.
Bye-bye.